Last weekend was a long weekend. 5 दिन की छुट्टियां थी, which included the Rakhi vacation. And since we wanted to celebrate Rakhi with the family, हम कहीं बाहर नहीं गए for vacation. But since it was a long weekend, I did plan a little staycation in Delhi with one of my cousins and her husband. So it was time to go. हमने सोचा था we will leave around 12:30 and so that हम लोग टाइम से वहाँ पहुँच पाएँ. And चेक इन टाइम जो होटल्स का होता है वो यूजुअली 2 PM होता है. सो वी प्लान कि हम 12:30 तक निकल जाएंगे सो दैट वी कैन रीच ऑन टाइम. बट एज यू कैन सी वी आर गेटिंग अ लिटिल लेट. इट्स ऑलरेडी 2:15 एंड मेरी कजन अभी तक पहुंची नहीं है. मासी का वेट करते हुए.
Yes.
हाँ शिवांगी जल्दी आ जाओ भाई, 1.5 घंटा हो गया तुम्हारा इंतजार करते हुए, जल्दी आओ. इट वॉज रेनिंग वेरी हेविली जिसकी वजह से काफी ट्रैफिक जैम था. सो येस वी आर वेटिंग फॉर देम टिल द टाइम दे आर हियर. लेट्स डू अ लिटिल फिट चेक. सो दिस इज द ड्रेस दैट आई रिसेंटली बॉट फ्रॉम मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग अलोंग विद माई क्रॉक्स. क्योंकि बारिश हो रही है सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड बी वेयरिंग. The fit check is incomplete without my daughter being there. So yes, here is Kyra wearing her favorite Minnie Mouse dress. And of course, although we are going for just 2 days, this is our luggage. काफी सामान हो जाता है हमारे पास. Somehow I do feel कि बच्चों के साथ सामान ज़्यादा हो जाता है. But yes, this is everything we would be carrying with us for 2 days. My husband decided to just lie down and eat some candy while we are waiting for them. Finally, they are here and we are leaving the house. Okay, so here is my cousin along with Kyra and both the men in the family luggage arrange कर रहे हैं in the car and here goes the final suitcase. Now it's time to go. As I said initially काफी बारिश हो रही थी, बारिश तो बंद हो गई है but it is very windy outside and certainly Kyra is enjoying the wind and it started raining again. It just took us around 30 minutes to reach the location and by the way we would be staying in Leela Palace Convention Hotel in New Delhi and this is the entry gate. ओके देखने में तो काफ़ी अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी लग रही थी, काफ़ी बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी लग रही थी एंड वी वर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. ये प्रॉपर्टी काफ़ी बड़ी है. इनफैक्ट ये इतनी बड़ी है कि इट हैव मल्टीपल रिसेप्शंस ऑन मल्टीपल फ्लोर्स एंड वी रियली गॉट कंफ्यूज कि हम कहाँ पर हैं. सो वी केम टू वन ऑफ द रिसेप्शंस एंड वी वर टोल्ड कि हमें चेक इन करना है जिसके लिए हमको एलिवेटर लेके दूसरे रिसेप्शन पे जाना पड़ेगा. दैट्स हाउ वी वेंट टू द अदर रिसेप्शन एंड आफ्टर अ व्हाइल वी गॉट चेक्ड इन. बट सिंस हम ऑलरेडी काफ़ी लेट पहुंचे थे लेकिन still our rooms were not ready, so we were offered some snacks and coffee in the little lounge area that they had along with one of the receptions. So yes, Kyra definitely enjoyed the cakes and the fruit juice that she had and I definitely loved my coffee too. So this was actually the lounge area जहाँ हम बैठे थे and इसके अंदर भी multiple different rooms and multiple different sections थे जहाँ पे you can just chill and hang out and talk. And then after waiting for almost 45 minutes, we were escorted by the lady to our room. एंड अगेन वी डिड फील कि होटल काफ़ी बड़ा है क्योंकि हमें अपने रूम पे जाने के लिए डबल एस्केलेटर्स लेनी पड़ेंगी. वी गॉट आउट ऑफ वन ऑफ द एस्केलेटर्स जो कि रिसेप्शन से थी एंड वी हैड टू वॉक ऑल द वे एंड क्रॉसिंग द हॉल एरिया एंड देयर वाज लाइक एन ओपन एरिया ऑल द वे. वी वर जस्ट वॉकिंग एंड ऑलमोस्ट एक्चुअली टक अस अराउंड 10 minutes to reach our building. Probably हमने गलत बिल्डिंग के अराउंड पार्किंग की थी but yes, this was how our walking area looked like and all we did was walking and it was raining, so open area में walking थी, so that was a little mess and I was being a little careful कि मैं या कायरा slip ना हो जाए. And finally we are entering the second building जहाँ पे हमारे rooms हैं and this is how the lobby area looks like and we are finally heading towards our room in these escalators. Our room was on the 11th floor and we were being escorted, otherwise I don't think हम लोग अपने room तक पहुँच पाते. And finally we are here in the giant lobby heading towards our room. The lady was escorting us towards the room and here we have finally reached our room. Before getting in, let's have a little room tour. So this is how the luggage area looks like and this is our room. Somehow उन्हें पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा था कि हम लोग किसी occasion के लिए आए हैं. And our bathtub was decorated with flowers and bubbles and everything. and this is the big giant mirror जो कि bathroom में है, and yes, this is how the bathroom area looks like. And now let's go towards the room again. As I said, उन्हें लग रहा था we are here for some occasion. The bed was also kind of decorated, but yes, this is how the room looks like. And yes, there is a little love you thing from the hotel, and there was a little seating area, and we were offered fresh fruits as well. Let's have a look at our view. This is how the view from our room looked like. कुछ खास नहीं था. There were some buildings and probably some green area. Okay, so let's have a look at the almirah. We arranged everything in our almirah. Our luggage was arranged, and there were so many areas for storage, multiple drawers, and there were like so many areas जहाँ पे आप अपने सामान रख सकते हैं. I had a kid. We obviously had a lot of snacks with us, जो हम आराम से इस drawer में रख पाए. And yes, here is the mini fridge, and this is another storage space जिंदर आप बाद में देख पाएंगे कि कायरा ने अपना सामान arrange किया है. And yes, along with that we of course had the side tables जिसके अंदर again काफ़ी हद तक storage दी गई थी. And we took our little Hello Kitty with us जो कि हमने bed पे arrange कर दी थी. And so yes, as I said, Kaira ने अपना सामान इसमें arrange कर दिया. So Kaira arranged everything that she bought with us right here inside the drawer. You like the room?
Yes, because stuff, pillows, swimming stuff, Hello Kitty, so many stuff here. Then I love this.
Okay, so I'll show you something which I absolutely loved about this place. ये सिस्टम है इनके वॉश बेसिन का, and it looks very simple, but यहाँ पे कोई टैप नहीं दिया हुआ है चलाने के लिए, and this is the very first time I've actually seen this. This is a little lever, and when you push this lever, this is how the water comes. Isn't this fancy? I personally loved how it looks like. Now it was time for us to explore the pool. We actually wanted to explore the pool, but pool में जाते time we got through this little play zone area जो हमने सोचा कि we would be exploring later. And जहाँ तक हम समझ पाए, we were just going and walking, and we got into another escalator, and finally जहाँ से हम आए थे पूल एक्चुअली उसी एरिया में था. सो वी वेंट अगेन टुवर्ड्स दी अदर एलिवेटर, एंड रास्ते में हमको ये एक पॉन्ड सा उन्होंने बना रखा था जिसके अंदर देवर लॉट ऑफ फिशेज, एंड बहुत सुंदर थी. So yes, we met a lot of fishes. Kaira enjoyed, and yes, finally again after walking for almost 10 minutes हम लोग दूसरी लॉबी में एंटर किए, एंड इस दूसरी लॉबी में पूल था which was unfortunately closed. Something happened जिसकी वजह से टाइल ब्रेक कर गया था पूल का, and we were not allowed in that pool. The property does have 2 pools, but इनका जो दूसरा पूल था उसके अंदर पार्टी हो रही थी की वजह से we were not allowed until 6:30. So we were kind of free for 1.5 hours, and we decided to explore the play area. The hotel staff was very cooperative, and they again escorted us to the play area, and we did some time pass, played some pool, and हमने बाकी थोड़ा सा explore किया उस area को until the pool was free. And finally when the pool was free, we got changed and we jumped into the pool right away. Kaira loved playing in water, and so do I, but हमें ऑल तो ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि कायरा को ज़्यादा टाइम तक पानी में ना रखे so that she doesn't catch cold. But it was a different day. गर्मी थी. We were in the water for almost 3 hours. We did enjoy. We clicked some beautiful family pictures, and Kaira played with her father. She learned to swim, and काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हमने की. Since we were not just like me, my husband, and Kaira, cousin, उसका husband भी साथ था, तो we were a family, and yes, we did enjoy the pool a lot. And here is Kaira just being a little mermaid without her fins, and this is the little pool. By the way, दोनों जो pools हैं होटल के उसके अंदर there is a bigger pool alongside a little pool जिसके अंदर पानी का जो level है, depth है, वो काफ़ी कम है, so kiddos can really enjoy. There were a lot of kiddos that were enjoying. इवनिंग हो गई थी, एंड इट वॉज टाइम फॉर डिनर. सो वी डिड ऑर्डर सम स्नैक्स इनिशियली. सो दैट्स द पीनट दैट वी हैव. Then we ordered some corn, and this is sort of a mixed veg thing जो कि taste में काफी different थी. These were the kebabs and this was some paneer preparation. Now on to the next day. This is what we had for breakfast. Breakfast के actually काफी सारे options थे, चाहे आप North Indian की बात करें, South Indian की बात करें, या कायरा से related अगर मैं बोलूँ pancakes थे, waffles थे, and there were a lot of things जो कि मेन्यू में थी. This was the day जहाँ पे हमको पूरा दिन होटल में ही रहना था and we didn't have anything else to do, so we initially went to the playroom since Kaira was very excited to play. एंड वहाँ पे उसको एक छोटी सी फ्रेंड भी मिल गई जिसके साथ उसने काफी टाइम स्पेंड किया. आफ्टरनून में वी रिसीव दिस केक फ्रॉम द रिसेप्शन सिंस दे थॉट दैट वी आर फॉर अ स्पेशल ओकेजन एंड वी हैव अ सेलिब्रेशन. So they gave us this chocolate cake and Kaira loves cake, so she had to cut the cake. So she sat on the table, she cut the cake and she absolutely enjoyed feeding us and of course eating herself too. So yes, here we all are eating our cake. Cake was delicious. So yes, we are just getting ready to go to the pool. And again we are off to the pool जिसके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा फिर से क्रॉस करना पड़ा. And this time Kaira wanted to wear her mermaid costume and since the costume was super cute, we did a little photo shoot for her. She enjoyed being the mermaid with a tail inside the little pool. And again this was the time जहाँ पे we spent more than 3 hours inside the pool. It was almost time for lunch and we went to the restaurant to have some lunch and this is everything we had. So here we have changed our dress. Actually Kaira ने change किया, I did not change. And after some time we again went to have some dinner. आपको लग रहा होगा कि हम लोग सिर्फ खा ही रहे हैं. And we are just in the pool and we are just eating. So that was the whole motive of this trip, just to relax and eat. वापस आने के बाद we prepared the tub with this bath bomb since Kaira loves to be in the tub with bubbles. So yes, we put this bath bomb to turn the water blue, had lots of bubbles in the tub and then relaxed for a while. Since it was our last night in the hotel. On to the next morning, we are going for our breakfast and after the breakfast we would be leaving the hotel. So here we are exploring the area जो हम रोज क्रॉस करते हैं and yes we are just walking our way to the breakfast. But before that let's play some games since मेरी cousin उस time ready नहीं थी breakfast के लिए, she was getting ready. So we went to play and हमने थोड़ा सा play किया and finally we checked out of the hotel. With this, a little staycation trip was concluded. I personally loved the property and the food, and the customer service was especially amazing. If you're interested in more such vlogs, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell down below. So yes, that's it for today's vlog. See you in my next video.